Exercise 5.2, problem number 8, fifth subdivision. Identify the type of conic and find the center, foci, vertices and directrices of the equation 18x square plus 12y square minus 144x plus 48y plus 120 equal to 0. So this is not in the standard form. We have to do the completion of squares and bring it into the standard form. Then identify what type of conic it is. Then we have to find the center, foci, vertices and directrices. So first I will take 18x square and minus 144x. 144 you can write as 18 into 8 is 144. So if I take 18 common out, it is 18 times x square minus 8x. Now in 12y square and plus 48y, 48 is nothing but 12 into 4 is 48. So if I take 12 common out, 12 times y square plus 4y plus 120 is equal to 0. To do the completion of squares, x square coefficient must be plus 1, x square coefficient must be plus 1 and y square coefficient must be plus 1. That's why we take 18 and 12 common out. Now 18 into your x coefficient is minus 8. Assume that 2a is minus 8. So dividing by 2, a is equal to minus 4. So you will write x minus 4 the whole square and put a default minus. Square this minus 4 and write. So minus 4 the whole square is 16. Similarly, plus 12. Y coefficient is 4. So 2a is equal to 4. So a value is equal to 2. So we will write y plus 2 the whole square minus default 2 if you square you will get plus 4 plus 120 is equal to 0. Now 18 must be multiplied with x minus 4 and 18 must be multiplied with minus 16. 12 must be multiplied with y minus 2 and 12 must be multiplied with minus 4. So 18 into x minus 4 the whole square plus 12 into y plus 2 the whole square. 18 into minus 16. 18 into minus 16 is equal to 288 minus 288. When it goes to the right side, it will become plus 288. Then 12 multiplied with minus 4. 12 into minus 4 is equal to minus 48. When this goes to the right side, it will become plus 48. And 120 goes to the right side and becomes minus 120. Now 288 plus 48 is 336 minus 120, it is equal to 216. So 18 times x minus 4 the whole square plus 12 times y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 216. 216 is nothing but 18 into 12. 18 into 12 is 216. So dividing throughout by 216, what we will get is, we will get the standard equation of the ellipse. Because it is plus, it is ellipse equation. So x minus 4 the whole square by 12 plus y plus 2 the whole square by 18 is equal to 1 is the standard form of vertical ellipse. The standard form of vertical ellipse is x minus h the whole square by b square plus y minus k the whole square by a square is equal to 1. Always the greater denominator must be taken as a square. So here we can identify what is a square. Here a square is equal to 18 and what is your b square? B square is 12. So b square is equal to 12. And what is your h? H is minus 4. Minus h is minus 4. So h is equal to 4. And k is equal to minus 2. For the ellipse, c square formula is a square minus b square. So c square is equal to 18 minus 12 equal to 6. If we take square root on both sides, c is equal to root 6. Type of ellipse. So what is the type of ellipse? Type of conic is ellipse. And the center, coordinate for the center is h comma k. So h is 4 and k is minus 2. So h comma k is 4 comma minus 2 is the coordinate for the center. Foci, coordinate of foci, because this is vertical ellipse, h comma k plus or minus c is the coordinates. So substituting the value, h is 4, k is minus 2, c is plus or minus root 6. So the two focuses are 4 comma minus 2 minus root 6 and 4 comma minus 2 plus root 6. Next we have to find the vertices. Coordinates of the vertices are h comma k plus or minus a. H is 4, k value is minus 2, a value, a square is 18, so a square can be written as 9 into 2, so taking square root on both sides, a is equal to 3 root 2, so a value is 3 root 2. So the two vertices are, first vertex is 4 comma minus 2 minus 3 root 2 and the second vertex is 4 comma minus 2 plus 3 root 2. Now we have to write the directrice. Directrice, because it is vertical ellipse, y is equal to k plus or minus a square by c. So y is equal to k value is minus 2 plus or minus a square is 18, c is root 6. So from this y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 18 you can write as 3 into 6 divided by root 6. So y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 3 root 6. 6 divided by root 6 is root 6. So the two directrices are y is equal to minus 2 minus 3 root 6 and y is equal to minus 2 plus 3 root 6.